An all-party meeting was convened by the government ahead of the winter session of the parliament, bringing together leaders across the political spectrum at Parliament House today. The meeting was chaired by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and other union ministers, along with members of opposition, were also present in the meeting. The meeting reportedly witnessed the opposition flagging a range of issues it wants to raise in both houses, including the special intensive revision of electoral rolls, the recent Delhi blast, and key foreign policy concerns. The government, meanwhile, outlined its legislative priorities and sought cooperation for the smooth conduct of proceedings. However, after the meeting, citing the short duration of the session, the Congress alleged that the government appeared intent on derailing the parliament. The winter session of parliament begins tomorrow and will conclude on 19th of December. This year's session has been scheduled for 15 sittings, a notable reduction from the usual 20 sittings, marking one of the more condensed winter sessions in recent years. Earlier in the day, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju held separate consultations with floor leaders of political parties from both houses. A Business Advisory Committee meeting is also scheduled for Sunday evening, followed by a meeting of the Business Advisory Committee for Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha later in this week. Speaking on the sidelines, Congress MP Govt accused the BJP-led central government of attempting to derail the parliamentary process by curtailing the length of the winter session and scheduling a shorter than usual sitting of parliament in India. He asserted that the winter session is only 19 days long, of which discussions can take place only for 15 days. This will likely be the shortest winter session ever. Therefore, it seems the government itself wants to derail the parliament.